Just when you thought you were done with my ass, my Ipsy came. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is time to unbag. They really sealed this well, I can tell. But let's hop into Ipsy. This Ipsy feels hefty. Hefty. So we have a festive, fun holiday bag. Vibin'. I can get down with some sequins. It actually looks like a Christmas tree I just bought. Now we have Kiss and Smink. Kiss and Smink what? Oh, it's looking like an everything stick blush. Yep, it kind of looks like an all over stick. It looks like NARS Orgasm, to be honest. Swatch it right here. Yep, it's looking NARS Orgasm-y. I know the light is super bright. I'm working on it, like I said, but it looks like a NARS Orgasm-esque, which is funny because I put NARS Orgasm on this morning for work for the first time in, God, I'm probably embarrassed to admit how long I've had that goddamn thing for, okay? Wait, what's the theme? It's not in there. Oh, our theme is be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. You know that Ipsy is always be yourself. And get lipstick on your teeth, so sorry about that. Next we have the Tinked Nail Lacquer. To be honest, look at these disgusting nails. I don't really need a nail lacquer. Also working on it. Oh, God, this is kind of a really pretty color though. It's like a milky, beigey white. It looks really classy when people wear stuff like this, but for me it kind of looks like a hot mess because, well, I am a hot mess and my nails are a hot mess and it just matches my aesthetic, okay? But, you know, when I grow out those nails, when I'm 500 years old, I will go to that nail polish. The thing that probably put the warning that it's gonna blow up on my bag. Comb Through Finishing Mist. Now, if you don't know, my hair is, I don't do a good job taking care of it. My hair is like a secondary thing to me and I don't want it to be. I'm actually getting it cut this weekend, but it has a medium hold. I'm going to guess this is like a type of hairspray and it's by Nexus, which is like a, it smells exactly like hairspray, but Nexus is a more expensive brand, so that's cool. And it feels like not like really empty, it feels full. Oh. Brush. There is nothing like a brush, nothing in the world. I love getting brushes. This looks like a big giant blender by Farrah Beauty, F-A-R-A-H. No, not Farrah Abraham. You know what? Next time I feel like my life is a hot mess, I'll just look up Farrah Abraham, now that I think about it. Giant blender brush because it's like the size of my entire eyeball. So this is probably good to like diffuse out an entire look. I'm never gonna complain about getting a brush just because I like brushes. As you can tell, I need a brush like a goddamn hole in the head, but I like a brush. Hi, Toad. My cat is walking in here. He's cute. Next we have the Catherine Natural Cosmetics. This is gonna be a blush because I just got an all over stick. This is in Sienna's highlight. Ow. Oh, okay. That's kind of pretty. It looks a little chunky. I mean, it is a little chunky, but it's pretty. You can see it there on the middle of my hand. I mean, not really because I have a million things swatched on my hand, but Moose, my cat Moose, I don't want him to mess with his older brother, Toby, October. Guys, don't beat each other up. Moose, leave your older brother alone. Having cats and dogs, man. But, I mean, I like a highlight. I don't really know if this is like considered like a fancy highlight. I highly doubt it. I get these weird like little cardboard boxy things in Ipsy all the time and I'm not really sure. Next thing feels tiny. It's the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is the third time I've gotten Gimme Brow. And shade 1, I mean, that makes sense. I am, well, not right now because my hair is super dark, but that's all about to change. Farts this weekend. However, this is the third time I've gotten a Gimme Brow. I don't know if it's been in Ipsy or other things, and it's always like a super teeny tiny one. I mean, it's a good color for me, but they're always so teeny tiny. And you know what? Brow products are like few and far between in my collection, so it's probably good that I got a brow product as opposed to like a goddamn single eyeshadow, because Lord knows I have probably never used a single eyeshadow that came from Ipsy. Which is terrible to admit, but we're all being honest here. That was my Ipsy, and to be honest, I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. The cool thing I think is that, did we get? Yeah, we got 6 products, so that's pretty cool. Really excited about the brush. The all over color stick is okay. The nail polish is really pretty, but like, I can't tell you how many times I tell them not to give me nail polishes. I don't really do anything with my hair. The Gimme Braille is just okay. I like the highlight. I mean, to me, it's just like a very mediocre bag. Nothing to like wrong with that. It's just like, it's not my fave. It's just not my fave, right? I like the bag though. The shimmy and shine for the holiday season. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Have a fantastic evening, day, weekend, whenever I post this video. Have a great one. Bye.
You can